So hey you guys, this is Glamazon Tay and I'm back with a new video. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how if you have no hair or short hair, how you can take it to looking like you got you some inches baby and looking natural. Now also this method is so easy that you actually can take your wig off at nighttime, so I love that. I'm going to be collaborating today with Supernova Hair. This is like my first time collaborating with them, but it actually went pretty great. I ended up getting a full lace wig, body wave in the inches 24, but I have all those details down below. But let's get into how I made this wig looking extra natural. First, starting off, you guys know I use my bleach powder. Today, I ended up using 2 different bleaches, but you normally don't have to do that. I just did that because I was running out of one, so I just put some more in the other. And then I just mixed it up until it looks like cake batter. You guys know I've done this plenty of times. Nothing special, nothing new. It just is my way of bleaching my knots. Now with bleaching knots, it makes the knots of the wig look way more natural. Instead of looking like little black dots, it's actually one consistent like caramel kind of golden color. So it just makes it look more like scalp. Now when pushing it on, you're not gonna like, well, let me take that back because you won't be pushing it on. You're kind of gliding it on. You don't want to over bleach your knots, over process and all that, because then you have to go in and fix it. So we're just kind of gonna glide it on real easy. You know, kind of keep it all even and whatnot. And I kind of leave mine on for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes, depending. But you know, I have all the information in the description box of all the products I use exactly, so you guys know exactly what to use. So what's up, you guys? I'm back. Literally, this is my wig. I already sectioned the baby hairs off, so literally I'm just gonna go ahead and try to apply this. I was gonna do a get ready with me, but honestly, I started doing my makeup and literally even forgot that I was supposed to be doing a get ready with me. So this is kind of what happened, okay? And apply the wig. I'm not even gonna record that because I feel like I'm not even gonna record that because it gets so freaking repetitive. Really not even gonna do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and like secure the wig down, and then we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna style this bad boy so that we can end up going ahead and moving forward. So yeah, give me like a few minutes, shorty. I brushed my baby hairs this way, and then I did my wig that way, and I put 1 layer of Got2b glue. That's it. So you already know, with doing baby hairs, my baby hairs have never been like hella long. And just brushing it right up my face. And then I'm just gonna let this like get a little tacky. I feel like that Got2b, the bowl holding stuff, I like that method, but I'm not about to do that every day. So this is just an easy way. And plus I have a shortcut, so I literally can just get in the shower, rinse my hair, and it's gonna come right off. So I'm just letting this get a little tacky, and then we're gonna move forward, okay? Okay, so once you take off your scarf, it should really look like this. I like to use a razor just because it makes it so much more easier. Instead of me having like a harsh line, it makes the line a little bit more jagged. And also, it's no big deal. Some of these I'm not gonna use, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull them back. It's no big deal, because of course sometimes with doing this you're not going to use every single piece of a baby hair, and that's why I like to use this method. Literally I just started doing this, so this is like a whole new little thing for me, little twang, but I'm just using only my Got2b glue. I already know how to do the little baby hair thing, so I really don't have to like show y'all that, because like I said, I already got plenty of videos. Some of these though, I gotta do a little something. Oops. Yeah, I'm actually gonna use my Got2b to mold these baby hairs. So what I like to use is my edgy brush. So literally, these are just extra hairs. And I'm gonna be using a little bit of Got2b and a little bit of mousse, so I can get an even mixture. Put some of it on here to lay it back. So do this to repeat the process to get the baby hairs in line. That's all I'm doing now. And then I guess I will return after I have slayed the baby hairs, so I can come back for the second portion. And this is just, like I said, this is another alternative bowl hold, because you know that's what I've been using, but I've been wanting to use something else because I was like, that's not permanent, but it's so much more like, if I put this wig on, like I'm not about to take this off today, you know what I mean? Like what if I want, oh my god, so why I really started curling my hair and literally forgot to turn the camera back on. So I was like, oh, My freaking gosh, like I'm always doing something, but literally I'm not doing anything but just some regular drop curls in my hair. Let me show you guys. Like literally, I'm not doing really anything. So I'm just doing this so I can get me a nice curl going. I have the hair on like a side part today, so you guys see, this wig is not thin, but it's just not one of my thicker ones. So with that being said, I'm not really taking the smaller pieces and making it so much small of a curl. So I'm taking a little bit of oil, I'm putting it on the ends, then I'm taking a little bit of hairspray on this, right on that, and then I'm literally just doing this. And some of my curls, I will make them go the opposite way just for volume purposes. So get ready for that. All I'm doing literally just putting it around, unclamping, putting it around, unclamping. So, you guys, this is pretty much what I'm doing. I cannot believe I was really sitting here curling my freaking hair and not even showing you guys. What the freak is wrong with me? Like seriously? And I got, so listen. So since I'm using the Got to Be Glued method to hold down my edges, it's not like really secure hold like where I can pull it. So I have to put my scarf on so it can hold this hair down. Because if I was curling it and pulling on it like I am pulling on it, it would not be holding it down. Like literally it would be coming up. So the whole purpose of the Got to Be Glued is so your hair wig can look like it's laid and connected to your scalp, but it's really not. Just throwing that portion out there to you guys, and I'm just letting my curls hang, and then I'm just moving on to the next one. And the fact that I'm spraying some of the hairspray on the curl already is making it a little bit more, my curl a little bit harder, but I like it because it actually is making it like, you know. So this is like, I got two more curls, so one back here and one here. So with this one, I'm actually gonna curl it this way. So when I flip it this way, it's more bigger in volume at the root. I'm just curling the rest of it, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is basically my curl. Like I said, this one was going this way, so I threw it over here, but I'm literally gonna go ahead and take off my bandana. And sorry if I'm looking down because I am looking at my mirror. Ooh, she nice. She nice and popping. If I see something out of place, I'm gonna just take my tweezers and pull at it. So literally right now, I'm just gonna use this curling iron. It's still warmed up. And literally this is just gonna help to ensure that everything is going the way it's supposed to be going. Now I am gonna give myself like a little part, I guess. Then this is this way. So also I'm gonna just take my curls and pull them. I ain't gonna pull them all though, just some of them. The way I'm gonna brush them is a certain way. So literally I'm just gonna take this one. You see? Okay, you guys, so see how my hair is? She looking slayed as ever. Oh my God, I look like a Beverly Hills housewife, right? And then if I wanted my part to be more defined, of course I could put some, you know, product up in it. But this is literally how I got my hair to look. For those curls, for the blonde hair, only thing that was longer hair. And then for this one. So, yes. But I'm thinking about showing you guys how I actually put my hair back up too, so that you guys can actually see that. So, okay you guys, so I said I would show you guys how I tie my hair up, and literally I'm not really doing nothing today, so I figured why not just go ahead and show you how I do it. So first, starting off, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna take each section, and I'm gonna take each section. I'm actually gonna just brush it out in the same position as the curl is. I'm not going against it. I'm not being all rough and crazy. I'm literally taking it the same way it was. And I'm just gonna brush it. And this is the kind of curl you get. Now with this, you can easily take it, put it around your finger as if it's a curl. And then just go wherever the curl motion is making you go, that's where you're gonna go. Like, don't try to go against the grain with this one, okay? So let me see. If you feel like a curl is too flat, I mean, of course, by all means, you can actually take the curling iron to it. You don't really need to, because it's already in the position of where it's gonna be anyway. I just use this. Hold that, daddy, right there. Then I just go through my whole head and do this. So I just keep being so repetitive. I brush it out. That way when you're brushing it, it's making the curls actually form a pattern. And then you just kind of go with the pattern that the curls are in. So then I'll get at y'all when I get back to this part. Okay, so now I'm over here. So literally I'm just going up here. You see this curl? They all going in the same direction. And then with this one, I want that volume. So I literally just leaves her like up. Then I'm gonna take my next one. I mean, you can do it with your nails. You guys know I have long nails, so it kind of works for me going with my nails on it too. But that's literally how I make it. And like I said, see how I'm pulling this and a little bit of the lace is coming up? That's because it's not used to that type of pull. Well, this one needs 2 clips, but of course, y'all get the gist of how it goes. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will definitely see you in my next one. Mwah. See you guys.